Hi everyone. Today we're going to be cooking up some stuffed beef. We got a little round roast here, about 3 pounds, maybe a little over. And what we're going to do is cut a slit here in the center of this right here. And first we're going to sear it. Once we get it seared on both sides, we're going to take this out, cut it, and then stuff it with some onions, peppers, mozzarella cheese, and we're going to make this thing great. Alright, first we're going to... There we go. We'll get this thing nice and seared up. It's buttered. Seared up. And we'll probably get this seared up on all sides. A few minutes each side. So, sear it on this side. Okay, after that's done, we will turn this off. Now I'll get our knife. And we're going to very carefully cut into this. We don't want to go too deep with it. And then when we turn it, stuff this some. Got some mozzarella cheese. Some mushrooms, some peppers, onions. Some chopped bacon. All right. We're going to get some toothpicks and get this thing closed shut. This will keep everything inside while we're cooking it. Now, what we're also going to do is I have a little bit of oil and garlic mixture here, and we're going to coat this bad boy up. Get all the sides. Man, this thing smells good already. Alright, we got everything coated up. Now we're going to put this in the oven for probably about 45 minutes at 400 degrees. And we'll check it though and see if it's done. And when it's done, we have to make a sauce, and which will consist of some nice sweet red wine and some Blackberry Jam. All right, when we come back, this thing should be cooked. All right, be back in a few. Bye. All right, guys, we are back. And this stuffed roast is finally finished. Took about 50 minutes. We're going to remove the toothpicks from out of here that I used. I did forget, after I did put it, before I did put it in the oven, I did season it. And that was good. Alright, let's give this a... Let's see how good it looks on the inside. We go. Now the internal temperature of this is 132. So this is pretty much done. Might be a little red for some people, but it is actually done. Oh wait, we almost forgot something very important here. Let's move this out of the way. Bring this over on our plate. This sauce is sweet red wine and blackberry jam. Look at that. Now let's give this a taste. Oh my God, this is good, very good. Peanut, wait till you try this one. All right, everyone, give this one a try. It's definitely good, and if you do, give us let us know in the comments there and how it was. All right, hope everyone has a great day. And be sure to give us a like and subscribe. All that helps us. All right, everyone have a great day. Bye.